Ever studied a whole chapter and then blank pages in your brain during the exams? Well, don't worry. It's not your fault. Your brain just needs the right memory trick. Hello, champs. Welcome to episode 2 The Memory Superpowers. Here I'll share smart hacks that will help you remember faster, recall quicker, and never face that awkward wala moment, right? So let's power up your memory. But before that, let's understand that why actually our brain forgets. So our brain is just like a giant library, but sometimes the books get misplaced because we didn't put them on the right shelf. And same with the study material. If we don't use the right methods, our brain doesn't know where to file it. The secret to memory isn't cramming, it's creating these smart shells in your brain. So let's know about some smart hacks which will help you to have a great memory. The first one, teach back method. After studying, explain it to your teddy, your sibling, or even your bathroom mirror. You know what? If you can teach it, you truly own it. Teaching rewires your brain to lock information in deep. Next, chunk it, don't cram it. Break big topics into small, easy chunks. Like, for example, learning 5 maths formulas at a time instead of all the big 20 formulas. Your brain loves bite-sized information. Cramming is like, stuffing 10 burgers at once. It won't digest. Third is mnemonics. Make up funny sentences, acronyms, or rhymes. Like, for instance, to remember rainbow colors, we say Vibgyor. The sillier, the better. Your brain remembers fun and silly stories, not that boring, huge lists. Fourth, memory palaces. Imagine walking through your house and placing information in funny spots, like Newton sitting on your sofa or photosynthesis cooking dinner in the kitchen. During exams, walk through your palace and the answer pops up. Your brain is wired to remember places. It's your built-in GPS actually. All the memory will get stored there. So let's try this now. Take first 5 planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Now imagine Mercury is drinking tea in your bedroom and Venus playing football in your balcony, Earth spinning on the dining table, and Mars chilling on the sofa, and Jupiter juggling in the kitchen. And see, you will never forget this again. So remember, champs, your memory is not weak. It just needs a strategy. Use teaching, chunking mnemonics, and memory palaces to become a recall superhero. Trust me, when you walk into the exam, your brain will be like, hey, I've got this. If you have loved these memory superpowers, then don't miss episode 3, The Exam Power, Food and Sleep Magic, where I will reveal how what you eat and how you sleep can literally boost your brain. So see you there.